Dear students, hope you are well. Today I am talking about Class 6 Science, Chapter-3 Characteristics of Organism. You know, organism means living being. Whatever is living known as organism. So, to know about characteristics of organism is very important for us. The Earth is a lively planet. Lively planet means a planet having a lot of living things. And so far as we know, the Earth is the only planet which contains living beings. Other planets in the universe, scientists found empty. In our Earth, here life is found in places that are beyond imagination. From the mouths of hot volcanoes at the bottom of the ocean to the acid-filled hot springs, tiny organisms can be found. We can find tiny organisms even at the mouth of the hot volcanoes. What is volcanoes? Volcanoes are known as a mountain having a crater to release lava, fogs, etc. And springs means a source of water issuing from the ground or hill or mountain. Some years ago, scientists found microorganisms that had been living under dry rivers for 20 years in Antarctica. You know, in Antarctica, the environment is completely an icy environment. There everything is dry. In the dry river, scientists found some microorganisms which are latent for more than 20 years. When the water reaches there, the vibe of life is created in just one day or in a week. They become a whole community. The question then arises in the mind of researchers whether such existence of life can be found on the dry, cool surface of Mars. You know, scientists are sending different rockets to Mars to find living beings. From these small facts, it is clear that biology is an interesting and sometimes surprising subject. Maybe there are some living organisms, microorganisms, which can be found after a research. Now, characteristics of living organisms. Acquiring and using energy. Every living organism needs energy to perform their biological functions. You know, every living organism needs energy. Organisms are capable of breeding or reproducing themselves. Many multicellular organisms such as rats need father and mother to be born. Each of the parents provides a special cell. The two special cells combine to form a new cell. This is called emergence of life. The third character is growth and development. A seed becomes a full-fledged plant through germination and growth like the pea in the picture. Each organism has a specific life cycle that changes its size, shape, mobility, and eating habits. And finally, response to the environment. Simple organisms or unicellular organisms are responsive to the environment. They change their appearance according to environment. Have you ever noticed that when an earthworm is touched, it envelops its body? It extracts its body. It tries to leave the thing, leave the place. The same thing applies to the leaves of Lajjavati. Lajjavati, a plant, when you touch, it becomes shrink. Some plants, such as sunflower, turn their faces to the sun to absorb more sunlight. So, you know, organisms have some characteristics. And you also can know some essential characteristics of living organism. No more today. Thank you.